Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with the winner for our Crafty on a Budget Mother's Day Craft Ideas YouTube Hop. Thank you everybody that joined in. Thank you everybody for your support, and thank you all for the new subscribers that came along and subscribed, and hopefully you stick around. Thank you again. This is a digital that was created, and this is called Vintage Shabby by Anna for Decorate Your Life, and yes, that is the name, and it was designed by Anna for Sandy at Decorate Your Life here on YouTube. And so I did not put my other creation here because it was too big and bulky, and oh my goodness. So anyways, I put these so you guys could see, have something to look at. So anyways, I will link everybody that was in the hop. If you guys didn't get a chance to go over and check them out, you still have an opportunity just to look and watch their channels, and support them as well. I will announce my winner towards the end. Do make sure that my winner does email me. It is a digital that will be emailed to you by Sandy. So make sure you email me with your email address so that way we know where to send it to. And again, everybody, thank you so much for all your support. I will link my affiliate link down on the description below. Of course, you guys know affiliate links help us with sometimes with purchasing craft supplies for the giveaways, for anything that is able to continue to grow my channel and continue giving back to you guys. Anyways, I think that's it. Anyways, if thank you again. I'm sorry, thank you again for joining along and supporting our channels. We'll see you guys on our next video and on our next YouTube hop, hopefully too. Okay, well anyways, thank you. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.